Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Okay, hello guys, how you doing? Back with me again, Vorhesz, and today I'm gonna show you how to open the scooter fuel tank. So this useful if your fuel indicator it's not work or it's broken or something like that. So if this not function, the fuel indicator, you can do this to make sure you don't run out the fuel when you are on the way, and maybe you on the way and no gas station nearby. So this is important to refuel it. Okay, first of all you need the keys again, and yeah, open the scooter seat. I've shown in the previous video how to open the scooter seat. Put it in the hole, the keys on the hole like this. Okay, I think I need to turn it the other way, then turn it right. Scooter seat open, and this is the fuel tank cap. You need to open it, turn it to the left or the counterclockwise. Turn it to the left or counterclockwise like this. Okay, and when it's done you need to pull it, and this is the fuel tank cap, and this the fuel, you can see it, there's still plenty of fuel I got here. Okay, so if you already check it and there is a plenty, then you can go, it's safe to go. But if you cannot see any fuel left on your tank, you need to refuel it, right? Okay, and how to close it, you just need to turn it clockwise to the right like this, and you're good to go. And close the scooter seat, and already good to go. Okay, that's all how to open the scooter fuel tank. And if you have your fuel indicator not function, you can do like look at the fuel tank directly, and if it's still plenty you can go. If it's empty you need to stop at a gas station. And the next video I'm gonna show you how to refuel the scooter at the gas station. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you on the next video.